If you're a guitar player, you know that setting up a practice routine takes a lot of time, and once you've set it up, you can fall into a trap of not practicing it or losing interest since you have no way of tracking your progress and getting visual feedback of your results. Keeping tabs is changing this by giving you all the tools you need to set up practice routines, run through your routine using our on-screen tools, and track your statistics over time to help you streamline your practice routine and give you results quickly. The first step in setting up a practice routine is creating the lessons you want to work on. With keeping tabs, you'll have access to a growing list of free lessons, but if you want something more tailored to your goals, you can use our intuitive lesson editor to create a custom lesson using our custom editor, which allows you to embed images, videos, and format the plan how you please. Once you've created your lessons, you can use our Lesson Plan Manager to set up a practice routine that consists of lessons to run through on different days of the week. Once you've set up a lesson plan, you can come to the Active Lesson Plan tab and subscribe to the lesson plan you want to work on. If you have a lesson scheduled for that day, the practice indicator will show that you need to practice. Once you've clicked on the Practice tab, you'll be able to run through a practice session of all the exercises you scheduled for that day. Notice you have an on-screen metronome, an on-screen timer, and progress indicators to show how far into your scheduled lesson you are. Once you've finished the practice routine, you can log your progress for that day. Notice you can type in the duration in minutes and the speed in beats per minute that you completed each lesson at. The biggest benefit of using keeping tabs is that all of your practice routine data is logged in the system. This allows us to show you what type of exercises you are working on, as well as your progress over time on a per lesson basis. If you don't have time to set up a practice routine or only have a limited amount of time to practice, the new Practice Now feature will be perfect for you. This feature will generate a practice routine for you randomly based on the amount of time you have, run you through the session using the same on-screen tools as before, and will track all of your data in the statistics pane. With the new Practice Now feature, it's never been so easy to pick up the guitar and get a useful practice session in with a limited amount of time. Keeping tabs is the perfect tool for guitar players of all levels and is guaranteed to streamline your practice sessions and get you results quick. Best of all, it's free, so sign up today and get practicing.